To sum it all up, Tbilisi, Georgia, is a city of contrasts, where East meets West and old meets new. It's a thriving metropolis with ancient roots, a destination that offers a unique blend of the past and the future. From its cobblestone streets to its modern skyscrapers, every corner of Tbilisi tells a different story. The city's historical significance is evident in its diverse architectural styles, a testament to the various civilizations that have left their mark. In Tbilisi, you can walk in a street lined with Soviet-era buildings one moment and be standing before a futuristic glass structure the next. Its rich history and culture shine through its vibrant art scene, with theaters, galleries, and music venues offering a glimpse into the city's soul. The stunning architecture, from medieval fortresses to ultra-modern designs, showcases the city's evolution. The city's culinary scene is another reason to visit, a mouth-watering fusion of Eastern and Western cuisines. Traditional Georgian dishes like khachapuri are a must-try. And let's not forget the Georgian wine, which goes back thousands of years and is still produced using traditional methods. But what truly sets Tbilisi apart is its people. Warm, welcoming, and eager to share their love for their city. They add a distinctive flavor to the city, making any visit truly memorable. Remember to plan your visit during the shoulder seasons of spring and autumn for the best weather and fewer crowds. Explore the old town on foot to discover its charming alleys and historic landmarks. This quaint neighborhood is a treasure trove of history, with every cobblestone pathway leading you deeper into the city's past. The buildings, some of which date back several centuries, each hold a story waiting to be discovered. Take note of the distinct architectural styles, a compelling blend of different epochs that withstood the test of time. From the Byzantine influence apparent in the domed churches to the more modern structures that reflect the changing times, it's a veritable journey through history. Stay in a design hotel for an authentic and memorable experience. These boutique establishments offer not just a view of the city, but also have interiors steeped in the local culture. They are an embodiment of style and substance, offering a stay that is as comfortable as it is aesthetically pleasing. The Old Town is also a gastronomic delight. Don't just settle for the usual tourist fare. Venture into the local markets, where you will find a wide array of Georgian delicacies that are as delightful to the palate as they are to the senses. From the aromatic spices to the hearty wines, every morsel tells a tale of the city's culinary tradition. And lastly, don't miss out on the chance to try Georgian cuisine, even if it's not your usual fare. It's all part of the adventure after all. So, are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to Tbilisi, Georgia? Allow me to paint a picture for you of this enchanting city nestled between rolling mountains and winding rivers. A city rich in history and culture where old and new converge seamlessly. As you wander through its narrow cobblestone streets, you'll be captivated by the unique blend of Eastern and Western influences in its architecture. From the charming old townhouses to the ultra-modern skyscrapers. The city is a melting pot of cultures, boasting a vibrant art scene, diverse cuisine, and a warm, welcoming spirit that is infectious. Each corner of Tbilisi has a story to tell, from its ancient fortresses and cathedrals to its cutting-edge galleries and music halls. This is a city that celebrates its past while looking forward to the future. A city that is constantly evolving yet deeply rooted in tradition. Experience the magic of Tbilisi's bustling bazaars. Savor the tantalizing flavors of its world-renowned cuisine. Immerse yourself in its lively music scene and marvel at its stunning landscapes. It's a city that's full of surprises and will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. Safe travels.